Hello, hello, hello. I am the Linux Mench. If you've been following my channel for any length of time, you probably know that I like dark theme. And you also probably know that most of the time I use window managers like Qtile, the Awesome Window Manager, or DWM Window Manager. And I also like installing many of the Gnome apps. And if you ever used my post install script, I have about 4 or 5 Gnome apps that automatically get installed if you use my script. And I usually have them installed. And back in the day, my dark theme always worked with the Gnome apps. And about a year ago, I think it's actually 2 years ago, they stopped working with my window manager. So when I'm in a window manager and I open up a Gnome app, even though I have the dark theme set, the Gnome apps don't follow my dark theme. Now, when I'm using the Gnome desktop, of course they work. So today I figured out how to fix it and I'm going to show you. So let's get to it. Right now, I'm in my main production computer. I'm in Arch Linux with the DWM Window Manager. And before I work in here, because I'm going to do my work right in my main production computer, I'm not going to do any work in a virtual machine, and I'm not going to do any work in another computer. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly remote into another computer that's running the Gnome desktop environment just to show you. And then I'm going to come back here. So don't go away. I'll be back. So now I'm in a remote desktop session of my Acer 1. So what I'm going to do is open up some of the Gnome apps, right? So of course, just in case you don't know, Gnome has right here an easy dark style. And of course it works with all the Gnome apps, right? So we have open up world clocks. Here we have world clocks. Let's open up Toronto and there's the clock, right? Let's close that and let's open up Gnome weather and let's make it full screen. There's Gnome weather. Let's open up calculator. Gnome calculator, and these are apps that I always use in my window managers. And if you use my post install scripts for Arch Linux, you're going to have all these apps installed. So we have what else? I'll also use system monitor. Here it is here, system monitor. Okay, and I like to go into processes, and it's easy to shut down something if it gets stuck, right? If an app gets stuck. So you can see, of course, all the apps, the Gnome apps with the dark theme work with the Gnome desktop environment. I mean, that makes sense, right? So now I'm going to disconnect. And so now I'm back in my main production computer, which is running Arch Linux with DWM Window Manager. So when I install my window managers and I use my post install scripts, I always install a program called LX Appearance. And let's just do a run D menu. There it is there. And I open up this, and here I always turn on dark theme. And then I go on to icon theme and I turn on Papyrus Dark, and then I apply it, and then I close it. And it works for most of my apps, except for the Gnome apps. So Alt-C is going to open up calculator. Always opens up on the other screen because I have it set for that. And look at this. Doesn't obey the dark theme. Let's close it. Let's open Gnome clocks. And there's Gnome clocks. Look at that. Let's open up system monitor. Gnome system monitor. And what else? There's another one that I use. Well, yeah, there's let's just use Rofi. There's disk analyzer, which is a Gnome application. And again, look at this. So like I said, the Gnome apps always followed my dark theme in my window managers until about 1.5 years ago, maybe 2 years ago, and they stopped. And like I said, they don't follow the dark theme in Qtile, the Awesome Window Manager, or DWM. And it's been like this for 1.5 years or 2 years, and I've looked everywhere. I've tried to fix it, doing all kinds of searches in the search engine, in the web browser, using AI, finding all kinds of things in the web browser search and AI, saying type this command in the terminal, type this really long command in the terminal. I tried like tons of commands, typing them in the terminal, and they didn't fix it. And today I found out how to do it. So I have to install 2 apps. So first of all, I'm going to go open up a terminal, and I'm going to make it a little larger so you can see. So first of all, there's 2 apps you have to install, and I added them to my post install script in my GitLab repository. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to cd into Mench, ls it. I'm going to cd into my Arch folder, ls it, and I'm going to go into my post install script, this one here. Auto app basic. Okay, so we're going to vim into it. Vim auto app basic. And this is my post install script. So, in case you don't know, whenever I do an Arch Linux install, if I don't use profiles in the automated installer, if I do a manual installation of Arch Linux, or if I use the automated installer called Arch Install, and I just do a base install, then I always use my post install script to install my favorite apps and window managers and so forth. So on line 50, I added nwg-look. I added that to my post install script. So the next time I go through an install, especially if I'm just doing an install in a virtual machine, so I can make a video on something and I don't want to do it on my main production machine, it's going to get installed. So it's nwg-look. And then up here on line 28, I added Gnome Themes Extra to my post install script. So I added those two things to my post install script, Gnome's Theme Extra, and line 50, nwg-look. Okay, just so you know about it. So let's see if it works. Let's cd. Let's clear the screen. Let's do sudo pacman s. So we're going to type in the command like this, Gnome Themes Extra and nwg-look. And let's see what happens. Oh, I got to put my password in. And we're going through this install. Okay, so now I'm going to close the screen. So like I said, normally when I install my window managers, I go into here, LX Appearance, and I set the themes. Okay. So I'm going to do Alt-R to open up Rofi, and I'm going to type in theme, and I'm going to go into this one, GTK settings, adjust look and feel. I'm going to hit enter. And what I'm going to do is hit Materia Dark. Then I'm going to go to icon theme and make sure my Papyrus Dark is on because I like that one. And I'm going to go back to widgets. And this is the thing that LX Appearance doesn't have. So I've been using LX Appearance to set my themes. So this nwg-look theme selector or GTK theme selector, it has this menu here. So this menu here, my LX Appearance doesn't have. So right now it says color scheme default. So let's pull down the menu. Let's click on Prefer Dark and let's go down here and apply it and let's close it. Now let's see if everything works. So let's do Alt, let's do Gnome, let's do Calculator. Oh, it opens up on the other screen. I have it set. So let's bring it over. And there we are. Look at that, eh? Isn't that nicer? Now let's do Control Alt C. And there's my Gnome clocks. Let's click on Toronto. There it is. Now let's do Gnome weather. And look at that. Nice dark theme. And let's try Gnome system monitor. Let's click it on. And there we are. We have our processes, we have our resources, everything is working. How about that, eh? And that's it. In this video, I talked about how the Gnome apps that I love to use stopped following the dark theme in my window managers. And this applies for Qtile, the Awesome Window Manager, and DWM. But of course, they still work when you're running the Gnome desktop environment. And I also explained how it stopped working for me probably 2 years ago, maybe a year and a half. And I've tried lots of stuff. I was searching in Google, DuckDuckGo, using AI, and all my searches were telling me to type in these commands in the terminal and it would fix it, and none of them fixed it. Finally, I found out how to fix it, and I showed you. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I am the Linux Mench.